Hello, Ojibos friends. This is Julius here. Thank you, Jimmy, for the detailed introduction for the leather nesting systems ITS3 and our mass production equipment KC1625TT in details. Next, I will introduce our main character VC9 Net60 today. So, with the increasing competition in the market, how did the enterprises to reduce the consumption and increase the efficiency? After 3 years research and development, today is our first time to grand launch our new model VC9 Net60. We give a very cute name to this model. We call it Little Bean. So from its name, it's easy to know this is a small model and flexible. We all know the Little Bean characterization is for the small size, work hard, and is flexible. So to our VC9 Net60 is also the same. Today, I will show you the details for this machine. So now I take you to see this machine. Okay. From the machine, we see the machine structure is adopt the integrated and the impact. So it means the whole machine will be more stable and make the cutting effect is more high precision. Okay, now I will ask our worker to show you for this machine how it works. As you can see, this is our workers. When you put the material into the working table, it's very easy to the operators to put in the material and the collection. So follow the traditional for all our VC9 series models. This machine also is the same. In the one cutting head, you can see has the cutting knife and also its two punches there. The working size of this small model is 900 by 600 millimeters. So it's very suitable for the sheet materials cutting in this machine. So before have some customer, they're asking us, because mostly of our model is for the bigger size. Even before we have showed the customer for the simply loom model for the 16112, also is a bigger size. So for the smaller size, how we can do for the simple loom. So that's why today we launch our new model 960. This model is very suitable to use in the simple loom development and the laboratory, and also for the production line supplement. Okay, right now I show you for the cutting effect of the leather. So you can see the cutting edge is very smooth. For the traditional, we all know, for the workers, they are doing the leather process. It's use the stencils to cutting and use the hammers to make the punch. So for the leather products, it will be some disadvantages like the quality and the others like the safety. So in our machine, you can make the digitalization manager for this model, and also for the operator is more safety. As you can see in this white color device, this is the sticker radar device. This device can fully protect the operators because it can make the safety with the 180 degree. Okay, so right now I will show you for this machine is in the guideline. The guideline is adopted the G and the rack. So means it can make sure to keep the machine working in the very stable and the high precision. So for this machine, you can see in my size, when I put in the material, it's very easy. You just put in the leather in the under the assistance with the projectors. You just put in the leather here, and you use the position to know where you need to cut, and then just start the button for cutting. Then this whole machine can working in perfectly. Also, this machine is with the suctions, so it can catch the pieces materials, make the cutting effect very perfect. You can see after cutting and do the punching. Also, it's optional. we can use the pen install in this machine. So one time you can finish it with the cutting, punch, and the marking. Okay, so this is the model we introduced to you for our little bin today with our first time to see all the customers. Okay, if you have any questions about this machine, you can tell us. Okay, so this is the introduction for the new model. Next, I will give to Vivi to introduce for another model. Thank you.